Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today we're looking at the Worx Landroid S model WR165, a robotic lawn mower designed to make lawn care effortless. If you're tired of pushing a mower under the hot sun, this little guy might just be your new best friend. Let's break down what makes it shine and a couple of things to keep in mind. First off, the Landroid S is built for yards up to 1/8 of an acre, or about 5,500 square feet. It's powered by a 20-volt, 2-amp-hour battery that's part of Worx's PowerShare system, so you can swap it with other Worx tools. That's a huge plus if you're already in their ecosystem. Setup is straightforward. You lay down a boundary wire to define the mowing area, and the mower takes it from there, cutting autonomously. The patented AIA technology is a standout, letting it navigate tight spaces and mow in a random pattern for even coverage. No more missed patches. Plus, it's got a 7-inch cutting width and adjustable cutting height, so you can dial in the perfect lawn look. Another big win is the app control. With the Worx app, you can schedule mowing times, monitor progress, and even update the mower's firmware. It's like having a smart home assistant for your lawn. The mower also senses rain and heads back to its charging dock, protecting itself and your grass. And speaking of charging, it recharges in about 90 minutes, so it's back to work quickly. For small to medium yards, this thing is a time saver, letting you kick back while it handles the grunt work. Now, let's talk about a couple of cons, but I'll keep it positive. The boundary wire setup can be a bit tedious, especially if your yard has lots of obstacles like flower beds or trees. It might take an afternoon to get it just right, but once it's done, you're set for the season. Some users have mentioned the wire can get damaged if not buried or secured well, so take your time during installation. Also, if your yard is super uneven or has steep slopes, the Landroid S might struggle a bit. It's best for relatively flat terrain. But for most suburban lawns, it handles the job like a champ. One feature I love is how quiet it is. Unlike gas mowers that wake the neighborhood, this one hums along discreetly. It's also eco-friendly, with no gas or oil to fuss with. Maintenance is minimal, just clean the blades occasionally and check the battery. For the price, you're getting a solid, high-tech mower that delivers consistent results. Overall, the Worx Landroid S WR165 is a fantastic choice for anyone with a small to medium yard who wants to reclaim their weekends. It's smart, efficient, and takes the hassle out of lawn care. I highly recommend it for its automation and ease of use. Before you go, grab the best pricing on the Worx Landroid S through the Amazon link below. We've got special promotional pricing lined up for you. Also, check out our other videos on the channel for reviews of robotic mowers and lawn gear. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe. See you next time.